is SAF Shorts. What did we miss? In the time we were off, the James Webb Space Telescope has not only lifted off from the planet that we're currently residing in, but it has reached its final destination in space, 1 million miles away. This is very exciting. This thing is super cool. It's a tennis court-sized telescope, and it's parking 1 million miles away from Earth. Where is it going? It's going to the Lagrange point. The Lagrange point 2, or L2, a point that keeps its position stable relative to the Earth and Sun. Well, what does that mean? That means it's equally gravity affected. The gravity from the sun equals the gravity from the moon and the gravity from the Earth. There's like a little three-way gravity lull there where they all cancel each other out. That means if you put a rock there, it'll just stay because it's being pulled by the Earth and the sun and the moon at the exact same dimensions, meaning they all cancel each other out. I already said that. This thing is better than the Hubble, more sophisticated and bigger, further away from Earth, so less interference. Although, side note, impossible to fix if it breaks. They're expecting to capture pictures of the very first stars in the universe, going way back. That's because the further away you can look, the further back in time we can look. That's because light takes some time to get here, and so it's actually possible to see the very first stars that ever happened billions of years ago with this thing, hopefully. And scientists say it will study the atmospheres of planets orbiting stars around our own solar system. The atmospheres of planets orbiting stars outside our own solar system to see if they may be inhabitable or possibly even inhatted, meaning do the people wear hats in other solar systems? We're going to find out. The very first stars and galaxies to form are hurtling away from Earth so fast that the light is shifted from visible wavelengths into the infrared. That means the Hubble telescope couldn't see that light, but the JWST, the James Webb Space Telescope, can. Let's see that launch that happened earlier. Well, last year, 2021. We have engine start. Decollage.
From a tropical rainforest to the edge of time
we have decollage. Just look at that decollage. Decollaging up into the
clouds,
atmosphere.
20 seconds into the flight, good pitch.
Punching a hole violently like Rocky 3. This is a picture. There's an artist rendering of the James Webb Space Telescope on Wikipedia. No actual pictures of it. Here's some more artist rendering. Has a big old solar shield. One side of it must be kept under 50K, that's Kelvin, in temperature. The other side's about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it says in here somewhere. The sun side is a balmy Santa Monica summer. The cold side is witch's teeth cold. Looking at these pictures, I've also discovered one more thing, one more secret piece of science fact. and that is that the Galactic Empire had a whole fleet of these James Webb Space Telescopes, apparently. That's what they look like out on the go.